Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on, so anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. So today's video is super exciting. It's something different. It's education. Woo-woo. So today's video is going to be how to make your scents last longer. Like, girl, like, do we got to spray like 20 times a day? Is that what we doing? Or we going to make these scents last, okay? So I wrote some notes in my cute little notebook. Y'all love this notebook? I think this is super cute. I got this off Amazon, y'all. And I just keep my little notes and things and goals and all that. And it's really pretty. Like, it is super, super, super cute. So let me go ahead and go to my notes on how to. They right here, my notes, to make your scents last longer. First thing you want to do is wash your butt. Y'all know I'm gonna have to put it in Tina fashion. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do it my way. First thing you need to do is wash your butt. Because if you think you're gonna go around here stinking and thinking that your scent gonna last, it ain't. You're just gonna be smelling like musk and flowers. It ain't gonna work, okay? So first thing we gonna do is wash our butt. That's thing one. Thing one, wash your butt. Helps your scents last longer, okay? Just boom, number one. Number two, we're gonna use an oil-based product, okay? Or you can use a petroleum on your pulse points, petroleum jelly. It helps to make your scents last longer, okay? This is the Vaseline one. See, I had Walmart.com delivery. You see, they had the little safety seal and messed up my little thing to say Vaseline, but it looks just like that. Or I like to use the Johnson & Johnson, or you can get the Equate brand. It don't gotta be Johnson's, it don't. Shea and cocoa butter oil gel, either one. But I used this on my feet the other day and I was slipping and sliding out of my shoes. So I won't be using this on my feet like I usually do instead of using this on my feet, because I was slip and slide, take it to the house, okay? Like, I was taking it to the house for real, sliding up out of them shoes. So yeah, that's number two, okay? The next thing is, when you do apply a perfume, do not do this. Don't rub them together. Don't rub your wrists. And we want to do that because, I don't know, we see it so much, and I even make that mistake sometimes and do it, but we see it so often, we're like, okay, but no, you don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, girl. Don't do that. Don't do that, guy. Don't rub your wrists. Don't rub them together. And make sure you get all your pulse points when you're putting your sprays on, okay? So that's another thing. Another thing is, don't be afraid to layer. So what we on? What was that? First, wash your butt. Second, petroleum up. Third, don't rub together. We're on number 4. We already on number 4. You see, I move quick. Got to give you a sermon, but I can't keep you too long. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So the next thing, point number 4. See, I'm going to make it real quick and I'm going to get you guys out of here, okay? Number 4, don't be afraid to layer. Do not be afraid to layer. Like, you can use the same shower gel in the scent. You can use the same scrub, like the honey wallflower line, right? The honey wallflower line. I have the scrub. I use the scrub. Then after I use the scrub, I use either the body wash or the moisturizing body wash. Then after I get out, I go ahead and put some petroleum base down. Then I use the honey wallflower body butter. You see how I'm building it, okay, to make the scent last longer? So you use the honey wallflower in this. Then after you do that, I'll go ahead and spray it with this. And then if I had the perfume in it, I can finish off with the perfume in it. Boom. Do not be afraid to layer your fragrances, okay? Now, the next thing, number 5, okay? Don't be afraid to use a mist and a perfume. Like, you can use different kinds. Just find scents that work for you, that blend well with your skin chemistry. You can't say that, okay, I'm putting on honey wallflower, I can't put my Tom Ford over it. Why not? This is a good combo. I like this combo. I did this combo today, okay? Nothing wrong with it, okay? This like a $300 product with a product that's, how much is this? $16.50. Who cares? Who's gonna know, you know? So why not? So yeah, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Okay, so I think that's number 6. Was that number 6? Okay, I think that was number 6. Is that number 6? I think that was number 6. So let's move on to the next one, okay? Number 7. The next thing is, don't leave your perfume in the bathroom, because all that heat and all that moisture and stuff like that, that messes up the concentration and everything in your perfume bottle. Don't do that. Store your perfumes away from your bathroom. Don't keep them in the bathroom. Do not keep your perfumes in the bathroom. I don't. They in my room anyway. Oh man, I have this one right now and I'm smelling it, and I know I'm smelling it, and I'm smelling so good. Okay, focus, Tina, focus. Number 8, because I think we on number 8, okay? Go for the All Day perfumes. I probably said that wrong. Versus the toilettes, because the toilettes are less concentrated. The All Day perfumes are more concentrated. That means they're going to last. Say it again with me. They're going to last longer on the skin. And that's what we want. We want our scents to last. So spend a little extra and get the All Day perfume versus getting the toilette, because the toilettes don't last as long. The next thing I want to talk about is apply to damp skin, especially when we're talking about Bath and Body Works products or any kind of fine fragrance mist. As soon as you get out the shower and you are a little bit damp, put some on. Put some on, let it dry for a few seconds, like about a minute or so, and then go ahead and put this on, and then re-put this on some more, okay? And it helps your scents to last longer with fine fragrance mist. That's just a trick to help with it, with the fine fragrance mist with the smell. So the next one I want to talk about is, if you can keep your perfumes in the boxes, keep them. But I know me, unless it's a real pretty box, I ain't saving the box. But keeping them in its original box does help them last longer, but and it helps the overall scent because they'll be more powerful. But I don't like keeping all them boxes around. I don't like that. I don't like that in my Miami voice. I don't like that. So I don't do that. But hey, it is what it is. It is a good tip. Now, do I got anything else for y'all? Let me see here. Oh yes, this is very important. This is extremely important. It's okay to overspray. Y'all like how I put that, right? It's okay to overspray. Now, don't choke everybody out and be up in that bathroom half dead. That's not what I'm saying. But if you are a heavy sprayer, I'm a heavy sprayer, like I'll be up in there like just bathing it, just bathing it, just bathing it. Like that's me. But it's okay to overspray. Now with the perfume, something like this, that's high. I don't overspray way too much. I overspray, but I don't overspray like a fine fragrance mist. I can spray a fine fragrance mist like 15, 20 times at one time. Like, and it don't do nothing, it ain't gonna hurt nothing, so why not? You know what I mean? But a perfume, you don't wanna do it that many times. But a fine fragrance mist, I will bathe in this thing like no other. Like, that's just how it goes. So that is my last tip. So that's it, guys. That's my tips. That's my tips to make sure that your scents last longer. They work for me. I be smelling good. People be like, ooh, what is you wearing? Sometimes I be forgetting that I put something on in the morning time, and it's like way later in the day. And I'm like, shoot, what did I put on this morning? Whew, I don't know what it is. Is you smelling my deodorant? Like, I don't even be remembering what I wore that morning. That's why I'm doing the day videos. Those are my little shorts that I like to do. So if you're not watching my YouTube shorts, watch those. A shameless plug. But I do scents of the day and stuff like that. And that helps me keep up with what I'm wearing too. And it makes me use different things every day. So that's good to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun. I hope it was helpful at the same dang time. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, share the video. Share the video to make sure that other fragrance lovers know who I am, because we're on the road to 100K. I'm trying to get to 100K. So definitely help me out. Share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.